going to present our project, Foninė muzika. I'm Šarūnas, this is Milda. There are also two other members of our team, but unfortunately, because of health issues, they couldn't be here today. Tautvydas and Robertas. And our mentor is Tomas. He is a representative of our partner, BMG Consulting. It is a company that provides business solutions.
Did you know that public places each year pay millions to the copyright agencies, but they only half of it research to music authors? We think our system can change the currently system.
There are a lot of quality authors, but not all of them get the chance to shine, because public places choose popular music from CDs or radio. But not everyone knows that these public places has to pay a huge fee to the copyright agency. For your better experience in public places, it is important to hear some kind of background music. So our target groups are public places whose demand is cheaper background music, and also new music artists who want to get an opportunity to be heard and get more popular, and also get a transparent payment for it.
The solution to this problem is Foninė muzika. It is a system that public places will use to play background music. But they also have the ability to choose the songs what they want to play and see a full report about the music that was played. Our team has made a market research in which there was 200 cafes asked, and the majority of them said that we would gladly use this kind of system. For a better understanding of how the system works, we have made a system mock-up. Music authors who will use our system will also benefit by getting a full report about their music and will be paid exactly by the time their music was played. Our system is legally approved. We have made contracts for both music authors and public places. We have more than 100 songs from not well-known authors whose music is as high quality as well-known authors. Currently, we are configuring our prices and are starting to search for our first clients.
There are several benefits in using Foninė muzika system. To start off, it has from 30 to 50% lower fees for background music. Also, Foninė muzika gives the opportunity for public companies to create playlists and choose songs from our music library, which is refreshing every day. Also, Foninė muzika gives the opportunity for new music artists to get a transparent payment and the ability to get more popular. And also both music artists and public companies get a full and clear report about the music that was played, which they do not get these days. The benefits for Foninė muzika are commission fees that are to be paid by both public companies and music authors.
There is no competitors who has the same system in Lithuania. The most similar to our work does one company, but they do not work legally. There's also two copyright agencies, and which we would like to see as our partners in the future.
We are confident in our product. We really believe it can become a successful business. We would also like to thank all of the Demo Vilnius organizers project, especially our facilitator Edgaras Lukonis. Somewhere here, thank you. And we really hope that you will vote for us. And if you have any questions, we are happy to answer them.
So, question.
Did you try already your solution with some customers, some cafe?
Testing was been done and it's working fine. It shows all the music that was played, the song name, the time it was played and the time of playing.
Okay, so you already have a prototype, you have already authors, songs. So why didn't you show us how it works?
Time.
Okay, good question. Answer.
Do you also have royalty-free music in your service, or just royalty-free music also in your service?
No, we don't take them because if you charge that music, it will be illegal not to give money to the music authors. It will be illegal to charge free music.
Maybe I get the value to create, and if you compete on price, I mean, if Latgo or Agata are going to decrease the charge they charge restaurants, I mean, what will happen to your business?
I'm sorry.
If existing copyright agencies will decrease the fee restaurants need to pay to them for the music they play.
Yeah, they can do that, but we have several benefits because Latga, for instance, doesn't provide a full report about the music. They just get the money from the public companies and they decide how much to give to music authors. They don't tell anyone. It is some out of not trustworthy or fee.
I'm just curious, one very small aspect. As I understand, when you talk to authors, the musicians, apparently, without having a large consumer base, without offering them a lot of money, how do you convince them to go to you before you have like large revenue opportunity?
Basically, we have a brilliant idea, and we have talked about 200 cafes. No, we did a market research, and the majority of them told that they would gladly use this kind of music. So now there is a team that is searching for cafes for art, and there is a team that is searching for music authors. So in a way, it's starting to get all together, and we think it will be good.
So in other words, you can sign up like 100 or so offers just on the promise of those.
Currently, I forgot to tell, but we're now talking to a huge supermarket in Lithuania, brand Tinklas. Chain, yeah. And they are very interested about this, but we still haven't made any contracts for it. But it has 200 shops in Lithuania, so it is a very big step.
And one more question. By the way, awesome idea, brilliant. One of the best, brilliant. When Spotify was building their business, they actually they came across the issue of having to pay like billions of dollars to label companies before they allowed them to, say, exist. So what's your plan here? Really only touch to small offers who do not are not represented by labels, or attract big investment and buy the big guys? Like, what's your thinking?
Basically, there are some chains that have their specific music. Like there's a chain of restaurants, Pizza Jazz, so they have specific music. So we don't think that we can take them to our partners. But there are a lot of cafes, or beauty salons, or barbers, or I don't know, other shopping centers, for instance, where specific music is not important. So we think that they are gladly want to use this kind of system.
So your plan is to start with, say, less known offers?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.